This is a short video to guide you on how to upload an assignment. So as you can see from the profile, I'm logged in as a student. So we're looking at the specific course of Introduction to ICT. And of course, there are the available units for us as students. Now our particular attention is looking at Introduction to Computers, which is looking at history, as well as classification of computers. And we're looking at the assignment that is due on Sunday. So now I'm going to come to the assignment like that, and I'm able to see the question. Now what I want to do now is to submit, and I should be at this stage with the assumption that I've already typed my assignment that is addressing the two questions. So what I just want to do is to submit the assignment. Now when you want to submit the assignment, you'll be able to know the status, because we have what we call the submission status here, which will indicate. So submission status is saying no attempt, meaning I've not submitted anything. Then grading status, not graded, meaning the assignment has not been marked. Time remaining, that is the time. Now when I make a submission, the status will indicate whether or not I've been able to submit successfully. So we'll be able to see once we do the submission. So now where do I click when I want to submit my assignment? I'll scroll down and look for this button which is saying add submission. When we click on that one, it will open the file submission, and we have two options. You can submit a folder, or I can submit a file. So now what I've typed is in a folder, in a file, not a folder, sorry. So I'll click on file there, and when we see under file picker, we have recent files, upload a file, private files, Wikimedia. What we want is upload a file. So under upload the file, I'm going to choose my file. That is the first way of submitting. Now here, let's assume this is my typed assignment, or let me say I want to go to my documents, meaning I'm looking for that particular assignment. I'll scroll and so on. So once I locate my assignment, I'll simply click on it and then click on open. Okay, and when I open my assignment, it will start getting attached to the file picker. Then I'll simply click on upload this file. Although of course I have this option of indicating what I want the file to be saved as. It's a demo, I'll not put anything. So I'll upload this file, and depending on the speed of your connectivity, you will be able to see the file submission and the uploaded attached file. So there's my file. If I'm satisfied, I'll click on save changes. If I've made a mistake, maybe I've uploaded the wrong one, I click on it. Then I'll simply click on delete to remove it. Then the second way in which I can upload my assignment is to simply open my documents, okay, my folder, and then like we learned in our applications, we'll make sure that the window is small enough for us to be able to drag content from there. So I'll scroll down again. So let's say this is my file. I'll simply drag it from the folder and drop it in the file submissions. The folder is there, or the file is there, sorry. Then I'll simply click on save changes, and the assignment has been uploaded. Okay, so now if I see that message, I can just ignore, because I'm using a different connectivity. So that's just an error code from my end as a client. So when I come back to the assignment here, assignment 1, you will notice that submission status has changed. It's saying submitted for grading. What I'm now just waiting for is to get graded. And the minute the lecturer announces that this assignment has been graded, or if not announced, when I come back to the assignment, if it has been graded, I should see the grade. And the assignment is here. And since it's before the deadline, I have an option to edit the submission, or to actually remove and then upload a fresh one. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we upload an assignment.